Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about free expert advisor that we use to provide for our Telegram channel community subscribers and the YouTube channel subscribers. Okay, and this month we are providing 5 expert advisors for free for MT5 platform, and these 3 are for gold, that is XAU USD, one for Euro JPY, and one for USD JPY. Okay, and our Telegram and YouTube channel subscriber can download these expert advisors absolutely free. Kindly join these 2 Telegram channels, okay, where you can please join them, and you can get all the download instructions from there. In fact, you can download it directly from there. Okay, and we are providing only 5 these expert advisor for MT5, and MT4 version is also available, but we are offering only MT5 version for free at this time. Why these 5 expert advisor at this moment? See, we would suggest you to trade with these all 5 expert advisors at once in one account. And in the previous also, like if you see that generally, like at an average, we are providing at least 5 expert advisors every month. Sometimes we provided more as well. But why we are providing more expert advisors? See, the market is dynamic and keeps on changing at its own pace every day. Okay, you cannot change the market, but you can change yourself and your strategies according to the market. By trading with these multiple expert advisors, first of all, the thing is these are all single trade expert advisors, and they all used stop loss. So each of them works on different strategies and principles, whether we are uploading the free expert advisor this month or maybe the previous month or maybe the previous to previous month. Okay, those all EAs are different, and each of them works on different strategies and principles. But yes, one strategy may not work all the time in all the market conditions. So in case if you're trading with like around 6 to 7 expert advisor, or maybe 8 to 10 expert advisor, maybe 10 expert advisor at a time, because if you're trading with 1000, you can trade with a 10 expert advisor, because these all use stop loss, so the risk is limited. But if you are going to increase your capital, then that would be better. Okay, so even if out of like 6, 7 or maybe 10 expert advisor you are trading with, if 2 EAs or 3 EAs are not performing as per the expectation, and maybe are going to hit the stop loss or anything, then at least the other expert advisor, there is high possibility that they will take care of the non-performance and will balance your portfolio. Since all these are a single trade expert advisor and you stop loss, so your risk is limited to an extent. But yes, there is no profitability in any investment. So we are not assuring you any kind of profitability. We are just providing you a good tool, and you are free to test them whether that is for you or not. These expert advisors are created recently this month itself in October, and these are very new, and we tested them while creating them, but we did not get a chance to trade or test them after that. So we are providing these expert advisors for free. We generally used to create multiple expert advisor every month, and out of them we are providing just few for free. Those are randomly selected. We have not selected these expert advisors. These are just randomly selected. Okay, so these are all single trade expert advisor. They are not using any kind of martingale, no grade, no hedging. So if you can try and manage to find few of these expert advisors that works best for you by testing them, then probably you can even try them, because these expert advisors are good. The only thing is that you just need to find the best out of them, and even you can try it on your real account or whatever. But we are not guaranteeing you anything again about the profits or the success. We can only provide you the right tool, but which tool would be better for you, that you have to choose yourself. We create new expert advisors every month, and as I said, that out of them we just share few of them for free. As currency pairs, it is already mentioned there, and even in the files what we provide, it is already mentioned that this is for this currency pair and what time frame is there. That is already there within the file that you will get. About the equity, these expert advisor are on the default lot size of 0.10. So if you want to test them on a $100 or $200 account for one expert advisor, then probably we'll suggest like 150 to 200 for 0.01 lot size. You can just change the lot size to 0.01 from 0.10. Or in case if you like to keep it as default as 0.10, then we will suggest at least 1000 per expert advisor. Okay. So if you're trading with 10, then we'll suggest 10K. And if you are trading with just 0.01 lot size, then probably you can start with like 10 expert advisor. You can start with 1000 or 1200. Okay, so it is as simple as that. So always try on demo account first for a few weeks, and when you are able to find and locate the best out of them that works best for you, then you can move to real accounts or real money. My suggestion is to install these expert advisors on 2 different accounts. In one account, just let the EA run, and just monitor the performance that which of those expert advisor is working better. And you can only monitor those expert advisor using the magic number, because we cannot create the name for every expert advisor every time, because we are creating multiple expert advisor each and every month. Okay, so just monitor those performance at which EA has a better performance in case of payout, or maybe in case of a risk to reward ratio and everything. Okay, and in one account probably you can do is that just install all the expert advisor and let them run, and at the moment, like when you see that, like maybe by the end of the day or maybe earlier, if you see some kind of profit, then probably you can just disable auto trade and close all the trades manually, and then refresh and restart the auto trading, enable the auto trade next day so that it can take fresh trades. Because since the EA are using stop loss and take profit, so until either the stop loss or the TP hit, then probably you will have to wait for it. So it is good for people like who have patience, and some people like who don't like, then probably they can get some profit and can close those expert advisor and can enable the auto trade next day. So these are 2 things, like you can just check it out and see what works best for you. So these all expert advisor are randomly chosen, and these are free, but we cannot offer all these are free, and because every month we used to provide at least 5 EAs for free. You can download expert advisor from the past, from last 1 year, I think, and you can just check them. But still, like if you want to check like some few of them, or maybe some more of them right now, the latest one, then probably you can uh, subscribe or can like purchase any of our economical packs. Okay, you can get it either for MT4 or MT5 based on your choice. So we are offering like a pack of like around 50 expert advisor for Euro USD. These are all Euro USD expert advisor in only just 75 USDT, and 10 expert advisor for gold pack at just 30, and 99 expert advisor packs. These are for 3 pairs and 33 EA each, either for MT4 or MT5. These are also single trade expert advisor or can take maximum 2 trades. Okay, so these 99 EA packs in just 125, and these 5 multiple currency expert advisor, these are okay, this is for 30 USDT, and there is a 12 EA pack for 4 currency pairs. This 5 multi-currency is for 5 pairs, actually 5 different pairs, and in these 12 we are using 4 currency pairs, so 3 EA per pair. Okay, so these are all single trade expert advisor, no martingale, no hedging, no grid. So you can just check it out and just try them in case if you would like to. Okay, otherwise if you are just interested in just the free stuff, then all the things are already mentioned in our Telegram channel. Please join our Telegram channel, as mentioned, DP and TFX trading info and free Forex gadgets. Just join them and you will get all the downloads from there, this one as well as the previous one. And one more thing, kindly join this Telegram channel, because I'm not able to create the videos every month whenever we used to upload the EAs. Because EA we used to upload every month, but sometimes I could not able to create a video. So better if you can just join this Telegram channel, so you will not wait for my video and you can just download it absolutely free from there itself. And please support in case if you can. Then these are the economical packs. In case if you can support, then that would be great. Else, free expert advisors are already free for you. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for staying with me. In case if you like the video, then you can just share and hit a like button if you want, if it is of any worth to you. And that's pretty much it, guys. And thanks for staying with me. And I wish you very good luck, success, and health in the upcoming days. And please avoid real trading on your accounts, at least for a few days, because for the upcoming US elections, and as well as right now there are a lot of things going on in the war situations, the Middle East tensions, the geopolitical things and all. Okay, so like have a caution, and I wish you good luck and a great success ahead. Thank you.